Family, I saw this stalker herb coming up recently. I didn't use my own hands to plant it here, but maybe the bees, yeah, maybe the birds carry the seed right here. I wonder if it made them dash along. Great rise, the sun is shining, the weather is good. Yeah man, great rise. Welcome to the Herbalawes channel here on YouTube. Yeah man, Roots family, every herb in Jamaica have a story. Likewise in the Herbalawes garden. And today we want to talk about a herb with its name while as its legend, Ramgoatdashalong. Beautiful. They call it so because back in the days, people swear that when goat eat this plant, they would dash along. Yeah, them swear that the goat would dash along, full of energy after eating this plant. Now, old time people used to call this plant the ganja plant. Reason why? The leaves, the leaf blades look similar. So is it that when the goat, the ram goat eat this plant, they dash along with a lot of energy? Truth or tale? But the name stick. But beyond the laugh, Ramgoatdashalong, known to science as Tuneria ulmifolia, is a healer. In tea form, Jamaicans use it for coughs, cold, belly upset, menstrual cramp, even heart palpitation. Some say it give back energy when the body weak, and science now show it even help fight certain resistance bacteria. So when you see the leaf blade, which looks similar to ganja, and the bright yellow by the roadside, better know it's not beauty. It's resilient medicine and folklore in one, but still beautiful. Ramgoatdashalong remind us what feed the goat can also feed the soul if we respect the root and know the use. And Roots family, back in the days, when our elders taught us about herbs, they would also say to us, whatever herb the goat eat, we can eat it too. Or whatever herb the goat feed on, we can feed on it too. So, that's not just being poetic, but it's fact. Because our elders, our ancestors, share the same thing with us. Ramgoatdashalong. Fun fact, this plant, I planted the first one here. Now, the root of this plant, I got it by the roadside. I think I've gone in Waterhouse. Waterhouse, Kingston, and saw the plant growing out of the concrete at someone's gate. And I root it out and come and plant it. So, that again, where I say, it's not poetic. That when you see the blades with the leaf look similar to ganja, and the bright yellow, it's not just beauty, but it's an healer. It's a healing plant. Yeah, man. It's a herb where Jamaican man love. because of what they learned or what they remember or what they hear, that taking this herb can make you dash along with a whole heap of energy. Long distance, Stula, Ramgoatdashalong. So when me tell you, the birds and the bees are the best gardeners and farmers. Them plant it everywhere, you know. Yeah, some sweet baby.